Did you know this guy
Hi.
is saving the world with juice? This is
Hi, I'm Abhi.
And I'm Neem.
and today we are at the most unique juice shop we've ever seen. This juice shop in Bengaluru is different. Instead of plastic cups, they serve the juice in the fruit. They have no straws. Instead of throwing away their waste, they feed it to the cows. This is Bengaluru's zero waste juice shop.
And this guy made it happen.
Hi, I'm Raja and I grew up drinking juice.
Raja's father was a juice seller. He wanted Raja to be
Different.
That's why he educated him.
I'm a biomedical engineer by qualification and I worked in radio for 13 years. And now I'm changing the world by doing what I love doing. My dad used to run this juice center since 1970s, but everything came to a grinding halt the day when my dad passed away. We almost had no customer one of the days, and one day we made just 50 rupees as business. So at that point of time, I thought of selling this shop.
And during this dark time came the bright idea, tackling his problem with a universal problem.
On one hand, plastic waste is becoming such a big problem, and on the other, we are wasting so many nutrients by throwing away so much fruit.
A glass would have a standard 250 ml of juice, but to wash it, we spend more water. And that's a criminal waste of water just to keep the glass clean. Looked at watermelon. We cut it into two. It becomes like a cup. It's so natural. So no need of washing it, which means my labor time is saved. It's a win-win-win-win juice is what I call. Because two people are already getting benefited, and after you drink, it's Instagram worthy, you get more likes out of it. Then when you throw the shell, the cow eats it. In Kannada, we say Marali Mandige. What comes from soil has to go back to the soil. And there you go, zero waste achieved.
This idea went viral. He has been covered by NDTV, Times of India, Deccan Herald.
And so many more. I don't sell juices, I only sell concepts. We have about 40 plus varieties and most of it doesn't even require sugar. We have something called a cigarette juice. No, this juice doesn't have any cigarette. But if you ever choose to give up cigarette, come and give your cigarette and we will give you the juice for free. So we have had Super 30 juice. I'll just give you a mathematical puzzle and if you can solve it in 30 seconds, the juice is free. So this year 2020, we have something called as BYOC juice. Bring your own steel cup and we will give any of our juices for just 20 rupees. So now at Eat Raja, the biggest footfalls are got by kids. So we make our juices so Instagram worthy, they're so attractive. I've even got complaints from parents where they say, my son has forced me so much that I had to take a leave, a busy software engineer. Kids love the way how we present our juices. Imagine some kid drinking cucumber lime juice, which normally they don't even eat cucumbers these days. Now, shop that made 50 rupees business, we make about 50,000 rupees in a day. And that's a change that's unbelievable.
Raja's idea was simple. He combined an environmental problem with a unique solution. And while doing so, he gave his shop a unique identity. Today, his idea has gone viral. Raja's father worked his entire life so that Raja doesn't have to be the same. And by looking at everything Raja does today, we can safely say that Raja is different.
So who needs a cup now? When nature has given us this, you can have everything without a cup.
And that's what the world needs today. India's waste problem is so severe that if it continues the same way, we will have an entire city as big as Bengaluru just to keep our waste. The world needs good ideas to be trending because an idea can not only change your life, an idea can change the world.
And that's the reason why
I love
India.